Hi there, you're watching Market Cafe on ET Now with me, Shriyanti Singh, and with me as always is Priyanka Uppal. And over the next 1 hour, we'll take you through news and updates from within the country as well as across the globe, tell you which stocks you should be keeping on your radar, and tell you what the brokerages are saying as well. Well, first things first, let's take a look at the US market, shall we, Priyanka?
Morning, Shriyanti. There is no stopping to US market rally. In fact, there's a post-election rally that is taking index to record levels. What we saw on Monday. Monday also, the new week has started and it has started with record levels. Dow gained more than 300 points to close higher than 44,000, while S&P 500, that one finished the session just over 6,000. Now with this, Monday marks the first time either finished a trading day above those respective levels for both the indices. Nasdaq also inched higher, finishing at an all-time closing high for its fourth day in a row. More than 1% it rose. Meanwhile, if you talk about even there's a lot of action in small cap focused Russell 2000 index also. That one also surged 1.5%. And it's not just the equities. Bitcoin is also soaring to record levels. It's over the moon actually. It's about $89,000 on Monday. There are crucial cues that will come in from a lot of economic data, especially on small businesses, which is due in morning US time. We'll also monitor the key comments coming in from Federal Reserve officials, which includes even Fed Governor Christopher Waller as well as Neil Kashkari. This one is also scheduled. So there are two crucial earnings. One very crucial earning, Shriyanti, would be Home Depot, because that actually reflects the sentiment, the consumer sentiment, and that actually tells you the direction or the strength of the consumer spending in the economy. So Home Depot, this one is closely watched by traders, and the second is Shoplift. But yes, talking about not just even equities, bond market, we did not get any further cue on bond market yesterday because it was closed yesterday. So the level at which it shut shop last week was 4.3%. And similar move we could see in European markets, which also closed higher. A lot of data which has to come in from European market also. There's a inflation figure which has to come in from Germany, and GDP figure has to come in from US as well as UK.
Well, absolutely, yes. Data heavy week coming in. But when you take a look at the oil prices as well, let's take a quick look at what really happened there, because oil prices fell more than 2%. That's the kind of move that you saw coming in after China's latest stimulus plan disappointed investors seeking demand growth in the world's second biggest oil consumer as well. While you did have a supply that also looked set to rise in 2025 as well. When you take a look at Brent crude futures, you're looking at 2.7% downtick coming in on that front. A close near that $71 per barrel level is what you saw coming in for Brent as well. When you take a look at US WTI as well, you're taking a look at a 3.3% downtick coming in for US WTI. Now, it's important to note here that both benchmarks did fall more than 2% on Friday, and it was quite the roller coaster week for oil prices in the last week, in the week gone by. And when you take a look at the US dollar index, of course, you do have the US presidential elections that have got a stronger dollar coming in. That also makes commodities denominated in the US currencies, the likes of oil, more expensive for holders of other currencies, and that's the impact that you're seeing coming in on oil as well. So no surprises there. But in terms of what else is happening for oil prices, in China, you do have consumer prices that rose at the slowest pace in 4 months in October, and you did have oil taking a little bit of cues coming in from there, both in terms of the softer Chinese demand and the softer outlook in terms of Chinese demand as well. You do have Bank of America that is adding that supply disruptions may be offering opportunities for OPEC Plus and its allies to expand supply, and the supply situation is also something that we'll be monitoring closely, Priyanka.
Okay.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.